it's raining here in Manila. I hope everyone's safe. Normal ba yung panic attack? Kasi first time ko siyang na-experience in 44 years. Akala ko invincible ako, yung hindi ako tatablan ng panic attack, anxiety attack. Pero for the first time na experience ko siya at hindi maganda yung experience. Nakakakaba, feeling mo malulunod ka, feeling mo hindi ka makahinga, you're catching your breath, feeling mo may sumusunod sa'yo, may humahabol sa'yo. Ewan ko, sobrang weird ng feeling kasi first time ko siya na-experience. So, I wanna learn more about panic attacks kasi I used to hear it from friends but I cannot relate kasi hindi ko pa nga siya na-experience. But, since na-experience ko na, processing it now, I think yung reason is, una, ang dami kong gustong gawin na hindi ko magawa right away. Yeah, ang dami kong deliverables. Second reason is that I think I realized that there are things I cannot control, like the attitudes of other people. Parang gusto kong i-control, pero hindi pala siya na-control. Third, I think masyado akong na-overexcite or na-overstimulate sa mga bagay-bagay. And I asked a friend, she also feels the same. I think yun din yung reasons why there's panic attack. Kasi madalas kasi talagang controlling tayo, diba? So what I did, I had to talk to a friend right away just to air things out. And second, I just had to, use my handy dandy inhaler. You have to have an inhaler pala lagi para pag masakit ulo mo, may panic attack ka, anxious ka, pwede mo lang siyang singhutin. Third, I had to open a book, read a book, and yung book na yun is the book by Stephen Covey. Yung binabasa ko currently. Yun, medyo naka-recover ako. Pray, list down what I need to do, hinga, and then had a walk. I had to take a walk outside. I don't know if you have experienced this. Maybe you can share with us. Probably other people have experienced this or continuously experiencing panic attacks. It's really very weird and it's not nice to experience it. Ay, para akong nakulong sa elevator tapos di ko alam yung anong gagawin ko. Parang ganun yung feeling. Basta, weird. Share your thoughts away. Feel free to comment and let us know how we can help, how you can help, how we can help each other. Take care, everyone. Stay safe and dry. Have a nice day.